What's up guys, welcome back to Diesel Builds 22. We just purchased this beautiful 2017 1500 Chevy. It is a Z71 LTZ, fully loaded. It was theft at one point and it needs a little body work. I'm gonna do a quick walk around. Seen better days, I guess. All scratched up from the bushes. I guess they were running away somewhere. It is a theft unit, and yeah, they're pretty deep ones. I'll see if I can cut and polish them out. I'm not sure if I will be able to do that. It is a 6.2 liter. Oh, pretty big engine. Fully loaded leather. Needs a lot of detailing. At that point my wife comes in. But yeah, needs a detail. Overall, having some issues trying to fire it up. I'm guessing it has summer fuel in it, so it's minus 32 currently. It's a bit too cold, doesn't want to run properly. Fires up, but runs really weird. I can do a little demo here. No, I guess I'll put the keys up on the roof. Yeah, you can see everything was taken apart there. And I have to get a few pieces. Yeah, it's shaking all over the place. Really low RPMs. Guess it's misfiring as well. Runs a little better now. Warmed up a bit, runs a little better. But still, it's shaking pretty bad. Oh, there we go. Bogging again. So yeah, I'm guessing that's gonna be the fuel issue. It's showing low fuel, but I did fuel it up and it's coming over top. I don't know, maybe it got filled with sugar or something. I'll just try and stick a camera in there and see if we can figure that out. But anyways, it's gonna be another project. It's a vehicle for my sister-in-law, and we'll be doing a few things to it. Probably doing light tint on the windows, and probably gonna get some nice 20 by 9s, 20 by 10 wheels with negative 24 offset. Yeah, because stock is just not the way we roll around here. And yeah, well, stay tuned.